Welcome to our channel. If you need multiple people accessing business accounts, follow these step-by-step instructions to set up users with appropriate controls. Step 1. Determine which employees or partners need access to business accounts. Identify who requires full access versus limited viewing or transaction capabilities. Step 2. Contact your bank about their multi-user access features and options. Business accounts typically allow multiple users with customizable permission levels. Step 3. Visit the bank with all individuals who will have account access. Each user must provide identification and sign authorization documents in most cases. Step 4. Set up tiered permission levels based on job responsibilities. Options typically include view-only access, payment approval, transaction limits, and full account access. Step 5. Establish dual authorization requirements for large transactions. Require 2 approvals for wire transfers or transactions exceeding specified amounts to prevent fraud. Step 6. Create separate login credentials for each user rather than sharing passwords. Individual logins provide security and create audit trails showing who performed each action. Step 7. Set up transaction limits for each user based on their role. Limit how much each person can transfer or spend to minimize risk from compromised accounts or internal fraud. Step 8. Review user access and permissions quarterly. Remove access for former employees immediately and adjust permissions as roles and responsibilities change. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.